Rusty Drift RC here today. Kind of excited. This was my birthday present to myself. Picked up a Blizzard 2.0 from Kyosho. It's kind of a neat little machine here. Show you what I got here. We'll open it up here. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. We've got. Okay, looks like we got the radio in the box here. 4-channel radio. That's kind of neat. It's definitely got all the orange highlights on it. My brother would be jealous. He loves the orange. Okay, all your reversing switches, 4 channels. Okay, and we got your Snowcat here, your snow machine. Okay, we'll go into this thing a little bit more in a minute. I'm gonna pull the plastic off the body. All right. All right, there's your manual and charger, bind plug, and the battery stuck in the bottom here. All right, it comes with a 2200 milliamp Speedhouse nickel metal hydride battery. I'm gonna pull the body off here and take a look and see what we got here. Now, looking at this, you notice that the windows are painted over, but what's funny is you look at the underbody here and you can see that there's a bench seat, and a small dashboard all molded in. So if you were to get the paint off the windows or replace the body with a clear body, you've already got a simple interior. That's kind of a nice touch. Again, the twin 370 motors, your ESCs and the radio are both all in that one radio box. Battery slides in the tray underneath there. You got room for standard size batteries, even LiPo. Again, standard T-plug or Dean's compatible. Waterproof servo, kind of neat. Servo for up and down on the blade. Okay. So I'm going to end up charging this up and see what it does, but chain drive, and again, we'll see. I'm not, see what I think of this thing. All right, I've pulled one of the wheels off, and it looks to be that it's got plastic bushings, which I'm going to end up replacing later on with the actual metal bearings. They look to be that they're about a 4 by 8 by 3 from by measuring them, and you've got 4 wheels on each side, so that's at least 16 bearings already that I'm going to need to be ordering for this later on. Not to mention whatever else is in the gears. Okay, from the factory, it's set up to where your left stick controls the left track and the right stick controls the right track, and then for the blade up and down, you go left and right on the right stick. Now it does have channel mixing on this right here, so you can set it up to where the left stick is forward reverse throttle, and the right stick will steer it, and then you go up and down with the right stick for the blade. That's how I've got it set up right now, but in order to change it for that, you also have to open up the receiver box and move the plugs around.